Go long.
What's up, fuckers? Welcome to Cooking with Miguel. Today we have a very special episode. I'm gonna cook the shit out of this goddamn pheasant. So starting off here, we will show you the pheasant, which looks very nice. It's dead as fuck right now. So to start off with, we can't eat the pheasant like this, guys, because obviously, what the fuck's wrong with you? So we're gonna have to take all of the feathers and plumes off of this little guy, this little boy. Which, can I just say, these are very nice feathers. TBH. So we're gonna start off. To do that, we're just gonna use our old-fashioned manis. You can see there's some bird shit there, which is not good eats. Shout out to Alton Brown. What's up, guys? It's me, Miranda Cosgrove. So for this next step, you want to pull all the feathers off of the bird. But first, let's get a look at that skin.
Let's get a look at that skin, bro.
That skin. And make sure you take your time and you're careful. As you can see here, there's a couple holes on the skin where I got a little overexcited and pulled too hard. Look at this bird, though.
Look at it.
Look at, she's almost, I'm pretty sure this is a macho, but she's looking nice. All right, guys, so I've taken the neck off. And yes, there's still a lot of feathers that I'm going to go back and get.
Oh, he's in.
Hacker voice. I'm in. All right, so now, ew, bro, can you see it? Look, zoom in, ew. So once the opening is big enough, I can just go ahead in and then get to work. I'm gonna cut this little membrane here. That reveals to you, if you guys took high school anatomy, this is the...
Oh, shit.
Jesus. So this is this is the gizzard. This is definitely the gizzard. And then being very careful, because you don't want to, especially if this was a shot bird, there could be broken ribs inside. Look, oh. So if you accidentally puncture, let's say, the intestine, like all that shit probably. And then the gizzard is what they use to like chew up their food, since, as we know,
don't really chew.
Birds don't have teeth. All right, look, that's the anus there, the anal anus.
It smells really interesting.
Yeah, it smells, I gotta note that too. I'm gonna stick my hand in there. Heart.
Dum dum, dum dum.
Dum 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 dum. Liver. Fuck. Jesus, this is the small intestine. Oh, this smells super gross.
This is fucking disgusting, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you seared wild pheasant with carrot and mushroom in a red wine and rosemary sauce. So that is my bad as fuck. Once the bird was all defeathered and cut up, I got a little trigger happy and I just started cooking and I forgot to actually film it. It was super nice. When I was getting the sauce au sec, I got a little carried away with the sec. But other than that, it was a beautiful dish, and I hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed cooking and eating, but not defeathering, because defeathering was a bitch.